Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap here, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and then go to the watermark. Here you can add time watermark and model watermark, and also some custom watermark. So yeah, and now every photo you take will be marked with its watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.